In this video, I will teach you how to create a stunning Fanta Lemon poster design in Adobe Photoshop. First, I create a new solid color adjustment layer. I choose a dark green color and click OK. Now add the main element, the Fanta cane. Go to the Select menu, choose Select Subject, delete the original layer by dragging it to the trash. Convert the duplicated layer into a smart object, then press Ctrl+T to transform it. Reduce its size and slightly rotate it to the left. Place it in the center of the main canvas and reduce its size again. Now we will cut this can into 3 parts. Select the pen tool, make one point here and another point here. Then close the path. Press Ctrl+Enter to make the selection. Go to the layer and rasterize it. Press Ctrl+X to cut, then Ctrl+V to paste. Place the upper part on top of the cut lower part of the can. Press Ctrl+T, transform the lower part, rotate it to the right, and place it here. Something like this. Very nice. Now I will do the same for the upper part of the can. Choose the pen tool, make one point here and another here. Then join them and press Ctrl+Enter to make a selection. Press Ctrl+X to cut, then Ctrl+V to paste. Place this layer on top of the other part. Transform its size, rotate it to the right, and place it here. Something like this. Very nice. It looks very good. Now add another element, a lemon slice. I will take only one part of this slice. Use the lasso tool to select the lemon slice. Right-click on Slice Layer, then choose Rasterize Layer and delete the main layer. Go to the Select menu, choose Select Subject, then press Ctrl+J again to duplicate it and remove the unwanted layer. Now I place this lemon slice below the can layer and hide both upper layers, then transform its size to match the lower part of the can. Using Warp Transform, match the edges with the can edges and follow my steps. Now unhide this layer and duplicate the lemon slice by holding the Alt key and dragging it here. Then hide the top layer of the can, transform the slice and adjust its edges to match the middle part of the Fanta can. Follow my steps. After that, unhide the top layer. Rename all the layers as top, middle, bottom, lemon slice 01, and lemon slice 02. Finally, group all the layers and name the group can. Now add a curves adjustment layer and adjust its values. Clip it to the can group, then invert the mask by pressing Ctrl+I. Gently apply a soft round brush with 50% flow on the mask. Follow my steps. Do the same process for the middle part of the Fanta can. By adjusting the curves adjustment layer, we create shadows and add darkness behind this area, especially on the left corner edge of the can. Something like this, very nice. Follow my steps. Do the same process for the bottom part of the Fanta can. Go to the curves adjustment layer, adjust the curve values, invert the mask, and apply a soft round brush on the left edge of the can. Something like this, very nice. It looks realistic. Now, go to the solid color adjustment layer and choose a dark yellow color, something like this. Create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode to multiply, then invert the mask by pressing Ctrl+I. Reduce the brush opacity and flow, and apply a soft round brush to add shadows around the can. It looks nice. Apply the same steps to the upper part of the can as well. Follow my steps. Now, do the same steps for the top part of the can. Follow my steps. Now, we will work on the highlights. Again, choose a curves adjustment layer and increase the highlights, something like this. Then invert the mask and change the foreground color to white. Adjust the opacity and flow values, then gently apply it to the right side of the top half of the can. It looks realistic. Hold the Alt key to create a duplicate for the middle part and apply the same highlight process to the middle section. Do the same process for the bottom part of the can. Follow my steps. Now, work on the lemon slices. Use levels by pressing Ctrl+L, then increase the values slightly, something like this. Apply the same process to the other lemon slice layer. It looks more realistic. Next, create a new layer and choose black color to add shadows between the sliced areas. Apply a soft round brush and follow my steps, something like this. Very nice. Now, do the same process for the other half slice area. Follow my steps. It looks more realistic. Now transform the cane size and reduce its size, placing it here something like this. Create a new layer below the cane layer and change the space of the brush to something like this and apply the brush for creating the cane shadow. Very nice. Now I create a new layer. Now I choose a new solid color adjustment layer and change its color to a bright yellow for the background. Then click OK. Invert the mask by pressing Ctrl+I. Change the brush shape to its initial state, something like this. Reduce the brush opacity and flow values, then apply it to the background, something like this. Very nice. Follow my steps. Now I create a new layer, then change the foreground color, something more dark green like this. And double-click on the background color, and then change the dark color to a lighter dark green color, something like this. Very nice. Increase the opacity and flow value of the brush and gently apply it on the background. Something like this looks very nice. Now, I create a new layer and change the brush shape to something like this. Using the color picker tool, I choose a light green color for shadowing. Something like this, it looks more realistic. Now, I group all the background layers and name the group BG. Then, select all the shadow layers, group them, and name the group Shadow. Next, add another element, a lemon. Transform its size using Ctrl+T and place it here, something like this. Very nice. Slightly rotate it. Create a new layer. Change the foreground color to black for the lemon's shadow and change the brush shape again, something like this. And apply the brush like this. Very nice. Now, using a curves adjustment layer, we add shadows to the lemon. Invert the mask. Change the brush shape. Set the foreground color to black and apply a soft round brush to the shadow area, something like this. Next, create a new layer. Reduce the brush opacity and flow, and gently apply the brush, something like this. Very nice. Now, add another lemon element and place this layer behind the Fanta can. Transform its size using Ctrl+T, rotate it slightly, reduce its size, and place it here, something like this. Now, we add a shadow below the lemon. Create a new layer, change the brush shape, and gently apply the brush here. Now, I feel the background is not looking good, so I delete all background layers, leaving only the dark green solid color layer. Now create a new solid color adjustment layer and choose a bright green color, something like this. Then click OK. Invert the mask by pressing Ctrl+I. Reduce the canvas size, increase the brush size, and apply the brush to the corners of the canvas, something like this. Very nice. Now, change the brush style to sun rays, adjust the brush direction, and apply the rays brush like this. It's looking very nice. I am using a different sun rays brush style here, which you can download from the description. Follow my steps. If you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button to get new Photoshop tutorials like this every week. Now, I add a water splash effect using a splash brush. I choose this water splash effect for the design because it looks nice. Then, create another new layer for the water splash effect and use a different splash brush, something like this. Very nice. Transform its size, flip it horizontally, place it here, and rotate it. Create a mask and remove the unwanted areas like this. Follow my steps. Now, I add another water splash effect behind the Fanta can. I choose a different brush style and apply the brush, something like this. Next, I select all the layers and transform the overall size of the project, then place it in the center of the canvas. Now, I add the Fanta logo and place it here. Then, add another element, a lemon slice. Reduce its size by transforming it. Go to the Select menu, choose Select Subject, then press Ctrl+J to duplicate it and delete the unwanted layer. I choose only one slice of the lemon. Using the lasso tool, select this slice, then press Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. Place it here something like this. Duplicate it by holding the Alt key and dragging it here. Follow my steps. After creating duplicates of the lemon slices, go to Filter Blur Gallery and apply the Path Blur effect to each lemon slice. Follow my steps. If you like this video, comment design. It supports me and encourages me to create more designs like this. Now, I enhance the background by adding another solid color adjustment layer, so follow my steps. And that's it for today's design. I hope you enjoyed this Fanta Lemon poster tutorial and learned something new. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials like this every week. Comment below what you think about this design. Your support really motivates me to create more content. And that's it for today's design. I hope you enjoyed this Fanta Lemon poster tutorial and learned something new. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials like this every week. Comment below what you think about this design. Your support really motivates me to create more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.